With your project setup completed and teams defined, you are ready to populate docs with Revit models and other files. Both work-shared and non-work-shared Revit models can be saved to the cloud. Before uploading either type of model to docs, you will want to define sets of views and sheets to be published and shared via the cloud. Navigate to Collaborate, Manage Models, Publish settings to create and modify sets, and choose which sets to include when publishing. Revit Cloud Worksharing enables you to co-author work-shared Revit models hosted on the cloud with other team members in real time. If you are working with a work-shared model, you will now initiate Revit Cloud Worksharing. Navigate to Collaborate, Manage Collaboration, Collaborate, then select In the Cloud and specify the project location, account, project, and team, where the file should be hosted. Cloud models for Revit are non-work-shared cloud-hosted models that may be shared with other project team members using docs. If you are working with a non-work-shared model, you will now upload your file as a cloud model for Revit. Go to File, Save As, Cloud Model, and select the desired folder location using the Switch Account Project function if needed. Once the model has been uploaded via either method, you will be able to view the sheets and views published from that model in Docs.